that's a walnut, huh?
You gotta crack the walnut.
Okay, that's your last step. That's been a month.
And here's the goodie.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a month.
Been a month.
A month
okay.
later, we come back and we get the goodie out.
Well, let me see the goodies. Let me see the goodies there.
Well, here's the goodie.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
The hull has got a hardness of 4 on the mold scale.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
Yeah.
One diamond is 10,
10, yes.
and the hull is 4.
4. Okay. So did you look this up, or you just knew it?
Everybody knows that.
I don't know it.
Sure you
Mr. Engineer over here knows it. I don't.
do.
I know about the diamond.
Anyway,
detail.
and then you have to pick out the goodie.
Okay.
And here's
Looks like you're ready. You
here's
have
the
a
way
good
you do
setup
it.
over here.
You have to have a horseshoe nail,
Horseshoe
and you
nail.
sharpen it.
I see.
And it's the official walnut picker outer.
It's kind of a lot of work for just a little bitty goodie, right?
Well, it depends on how hungry you are.
Oh, I'm not hungry, but I like walnut though. That's why they're expensive when you buy them, huh?
I would
When you
think
put
it
them
would
in
be if I
cakes.
sold them.
Yep, you're right. It's very, very,
Anyway,
very time consuming. So there's the walnut. Yep.
here's,
So he's setting it up
Here's
right
the
here on
goodie.
the porch. Okay. Okay, baby. Thanks for sharing.